Hi, this is John with WTI, and these are currently my big power usage cables, my Type-C cables. These HYCs are one of my favorite cables right now in work. And one of the things that I like the most is how powerful they are. They're up to 100 watts of charge. So it doesn't matter which device I plug this in. If I plug this into my phone, my tablet, or another Chromebook that I will get soon in my house as all other part of my workspace, these cables are solid built, long lasting, and they have a high speed charging phase. So something that I really appreciate about these cables is how strong and well built they are. You can take this, twist them, move them to anywhere that you want to go, and nothing's gonna happen to these cables. So if you're looking for some great cables, high speed, and a great build quality, these HYZs are great. This was John with WTI. That's my point of view.